Today I want to show you how to create a usable filter flow from scratch, and we're gonna take a look at two filtering use case for my website. And this is a marketplace that we're gonna be selling mobile UI kits, dashboards, fonts, and so on. Okay, so if you have products and you want to sell them, please contact me. We're gonna convert this website into a compelling marketplace. We're working on it right now. And we all know how important it is to have a usable filter at hand for your users. Users love to filter, okay? Because it provides them with a feeling of choice and control, and it reduces time, energy, and frustrations, and they're gonna find out their favorite products with ease. Okay, so these mobile UI kits are filtered by two categories of filters: industry, as you can see, business, finance, food, drink, and also tools. Some users prefer to filter by Figma, all mobile UI kits that are made with Figma. But this is a tricky situation because this is very contextual, and if you select an industry, you might find out that in that industry you're not gonna find all the tools because it affects. Okay, so if you select Figma, it's gonna display you all the categories, all the mobile UI kits made with Figma in that certain categories. Okay, and if you select health and fitness, for instance, let's select these two industries, business and health fitness. As you can see, the tools shrink. Okay, because let's go back. You see, now we have all the tools, and if you select, it affects, and the tools have options reduced based on the categories you have selected. And what I added here is I added the possibility to delete all the filters individually, and also you can reset all or clear all by one click. Okay, and let's go even further. Let's narrow it down, and let's say that we want Figma mobile UI kit within these industries, Figma and React. And as you can see, it's very clear that we have selected these categories, these industries, and these tools. Okay, so you see business, health, Figma, and React, and you can clear all. You see that 5 results according to the filters applied. We also want to give the users the possibility all the details. So how many results returned? 5. How many filters applied? 4 filters. I can delete each one, I can clear all, and we're gonna go back to where we started. Okay, and now let's see the same use case only for mobile. Let's select this device to see on the mobile, and let's go back to mobile. And according to latest statistics, we all know that more and more users use their phone when they're navigating on the internet. Okay, so here's, you have to treat with utmost care also this case on mobile resolution. So as you can see, I also added the filter button here, and also when you scroll, I also added this circle, this filter button that is sticky at the bottom. Okay, so let's go to filter, and as you can see, all these categories, all these industries are here. This cancel button that allows us to go back to the home page. Okay, and let's say we're gonna select business and health, and you see the Figma, the tools have been reduced. Clear to, because we applied 2 filters, apply to. Okay, let's gonna apply 2, and as you can see, business and health, clear all. Okay, let's click on this button, and as you can see, let's select again Figma and React, apply 4 filters. Okay, you want to drag here. Okay, and you can clear all, and we're gonna go back to where we started. Okay, so that's one case, that's one use case, guys. And we have filter button. We also provide them with the possibility of filter again once we scroll. Okay, this is very important. You have to think to help users navigate. You don't have to make them think. Nobody wants to figure it out. Oh, what is this with this button here? Make it clear, make it easy. Nobody cares. And let's move on to filter 2. Okay, and as you can see, here is the same use case we said. Okay, so now as you can see, this is the home page. You have UI kits and so on. Okay, so let's drill down into the UI kits category, and here we can look through each category, dashboards, templates. So it's a different approach. Okay, Okay, so if one to narrow down and to look for UI kits made with some tools, let's say click on tools, okay, Figma, Sketch, Adobe XD, Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Canva. Okay, let's apply Figma in Sketch, clear and apply. Okay, applied. You have two tools applied here, two filters applied under tools, 5 results according to the filters applied. Okay, so you have to open up again to see the filters that have been applied. Okay, clear. Okay, we're gonna go back to where we started. Let's click on industry. Okay, these are some UI kits made within these industries. Okay, apply. Okay, 2 results according to the filters applied. And now when we open up the tools, I just told user that certain filters may not be available based on the industry option selected. So in other words, some tools are not available within the business industry. Okay, so let's go cancel, and that's it. Okay, so the only drawback here is that you don't see at the first glance the filters that are applied. Okay, you have to open up again the modal here, the dialog, to see the filters applied. But what's the advantage of this one? Well, the advantage is that the height of the flow has been reduced, and you can see products on the viewport, on the first viewport. Okay, that's the only advantage. And another advantage is that I separated these categories. Industry is on industry, tools under tools, and we may allow them, and we might tell them that, hey, you have applied some filters and some tools are not available for this industry, and some industries are not available to these tools. Okay, so that's all that I wanted to present you guys. We can look here, the same flow, but also for desktop. You can see something like that. Okay, and see, these are the categories and so on. So you have to treat these filtering options with utmost care. You have to also to talk with your team, with developers, because they might not, they cannot implement whatever we design. So if they're gonna use WordPress, they're gonna be using filter anything plugin and so on, and you have to count, and you have to think of all possibilities and all the constraints, because it's all about working in a team. Let me show you another example on a website that I did. It's called Eva Therm, and here it's dermatocosmetic. Let's look on English so we can understand. So it's the same filtering options. I did it a few years back. I worked as a UX designer for these guys, and let's look at the products for face care. Okay, I don't know why English is not working or something like that. Okay, so as you can see here, you can filter by expertise, damaged skin, dry skin. It depends on your skin. So, and according to all this expertise, you have also categories: anti-aging, cleansing, depigmentation, face care. And if you select something on hyperpigmented skin, you see that the category reduced here, because under this expertise you took category corresponding. Okay, and I think this is very useful. It's the same, but also what I did here, I also allow them the possibility to delete each filter options applied. Okay, so guys, it's very tricky. You have to create a usable flow. You have to think of all the details, the situations that may occur. Okay, so let me show you a very difficult filter options. You probably heard about Walmart. You see here, this is a gigantic website full of thousands of products wrapped up in hundreds of categories. And let's say we want to find out a laptop or something like that. Let's click on this super category electronics. And you see, inside the electronics, they also have categories: TVs, computer and office, iPads, cell phones, video games. They also have deals, news and new and trending. These are also some filter options. So, categories, okay? Audio, PC gaming, shop new arrivals, and they want to allow their users to find better deals, to find exactly what they are looking for, and they design it very different. Because here with the circles, you're gonna come up, you're gonna get down to your favorite products. They also provide this sidebar of the same circles. And let's say that we want to use it to get to look at computers, okay, and office. Okay, so inside this category of computers, you're gonna see iPad, you're gonna see laptops, tablets, PC gaming, desktop. Okay, popular in computers, another category, accessories. So you see the information is well structured, and it's very difficult to do, to design a use case some like that. You have to sit down with your team, with content writers, with CRO, with product owners, with developers, project managers, and so on. Okay, so I want to look for laptop. Okay, laptop here on sidebar, but also I should have clicked on laptop within the circle. Okay, so now I drill down into laptops. So you see 3 or 4 clicks to get down to what I wanted to look for. Okay, so let's say that we want to filter by price. Let's say by 1000, something like that. And you see that the filters have been applied, and within one glance I can see that I filtered by price. Clear all and delete. Very useful, very useful. Let's say I want something like, I don't know, MacBook, Apple. Okay, so they also provide search, they also provide checkbox, and you see I also filter down by brand and Apple. And you see these are all the results that have been returned according to my filters applied. So guys, if you want me to talk more about filters and to analyze websites like Walmart, like Amazon, we can discuss in next video. I hope you like this video. I hope you comment and share it with your friends. This is it for today. If you want to learn more about research, if you want to learn more about UX, the differences, the salaries in UX, the jobs, how do you know what to choose, UX or UI, how to tackle each subject, and to get to beginner, to advanced, and to have a portfolio, I'm working on a course for you, so you can sign up. It will be finished this autumn. I am working day and night on it, so please, if you want, like, you can sign up for my course, and you will learn everything you need to know about UX. So we're gonna make a practical app, and we're gonna take it through each phase of the design thinking method: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and testing. So if you are interested, please let me know in the comments. Okay, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.